Hi to all, ZRC Dark in here. Sorry about the mess. So I did review of this electric chainsaw and now I have a problem. And now we have faulty battery. The battery is not faulty but it is weak. So let me show you the problem. So if I put here and say, so we have 20.2 volts, so that's around 80% of the battery. And now if I put it on, as you can see, it cannot run because the electronics in battery stops when the voltage drops, let's say down to 16 volts. It just cuts off the power. So it's time to change the cells, so stay tuned. This is ZRC Dark and we're gonna do some battery swap, so stay tuned. So to change the batteries, we have here some tools that we need. We have spot welder, we have soldering iron, we have here some connectors. So I don't have the original one, I'm gonna use this one. I just cut them in half. So here's our battery. The battery is around 20.3 volts. So as you saw, it doesn't work. So now let's open this and change. So this is T10, I think. Yes, T10. To undo the screws. And here is our battery. Let me check. Here's around 20.3 volts. So I'm gonna take this apart, but stay tuned. But before I take these batteries apart, I'm gonna label it. So let's but 1, but 2, but 3, but 4, but 5. And I'm gonna measure the capacity with this little color tester, and we're gonna see how much amp hours they have. And before that, let's see how much battery, how much voltage they have. So this is 4.07, 4.07, 4.05, 4.06. So they're pretty much the same and good. So let's take them apart and we're gonna change this to this when I'm gonna put new batteries. And new batteries, I will take this one. So let's say I'm gonna take this 2.6 milliamp hours. So these are brand new, and I'm gonna weld them. So just be careful when you connect them. positive and negative to not change. So let's go. So the batteries are out. Maybe if you take them out good, you can still use this, the old one, if you don't have the new ones. And here are our batteries. And now let's put them to the charger and let's see how much amp hours do they have. So I've put them here, so I've used bat 1, bat 5, bat 1, bat 2 and bat 4. The 3 I didn't use. So fun fact, if you put the batteries in, you can use it like a charger, output 5 volts. So now we're gonna do, we're gonna do fast test, and we have 4.01. We're gonna fast test, fast test, fast test. So they're all in fast test. Now the battery, the voltage will go all the way down, and then it's gonna charge it, and then we're gonna see the difference. So as you can see now, the internal resistance is good, but this is not the tester for internal resistance. It's around like okay to use it, but it's not accurate, so stay tuned. So the batteries are charged, and as you can see, they are 485 milliamp hours. So this is 551, this is 553, and this is 618 milliamp hours. So as you can see, these are 0.5 amp hours, and not like this as 1.2 amp hours. So they are tested, and then if you connect them, you should get around 18 volts. Now I'm gonna solder this motherboard to these battery packs, and that's it. So stay tuned. So when you welded and soldered the battery pack, you should get here, as you can see, 18.61 voltage, and here the same 18.61 volts, so the same. Now they are good. As you can see, these are 2.6, and the other battery is 2 amp hours. So let's put this thing together and let's try it. So the last thing that I should do is check this. So this is 2.6. I don't know if you can see here, but here you can see 2.6. Yeah, it works okay. And these is 2 amp hours. So first I'm gonna try this battery, and I will show you the results. So stay tuned. Yeah, and before I go outside, I put the link for the spot welder and some soldering iron that I used here. So you should check. If you buy this, you should do mods. You have video on my channel. So that's it. Let's try these batteries. And here we go. So don't forget to lube the chain every 5 cuts. So as you can see, I'm doing a little spring cleaning, and you see this wood is very dry. And now the battery that I changed the batteries died here, and it performed very well. So we don't forget, this is just only 70% battery, because the batteries were at 3.9 volts, so the performance is beyond. So with the old battery I could do like 20 cuts, and now you see it doesn't work, it stopped right here. So the performance, these are all dry wood, and the performance is very good. So after the battery, you have changed the batteries, the electronics and the charger is the same. As you can see, now it's fully charged, and let's see how many volts it has. So as you can see, 20.5 volts. So that's not even a full charge. This is around, I think, around 90% of the battery. So now let's go outside and test this battery out. So don't forget, this is 2 amp hours battery, not 2.6. So as you can see, the size of the branches, so they are okay. They are not small, they are medium size. So as you can see, I did a lot of cutting branches. So this is wow, just the performance of this battery pack is superb. So as you can see, the battery chainsaw died here, and it performed very well. So this is way bigger than with 3.9 volts. So these batteries were 4.1 volts, so around 90%. Superb. So just for comparison, so when the batteries were at 70%, I could cut this and this, and now I have with 90% battery all this and that. So that's a big pile of wood. And check this out, you can take this out and then you have Phillips screwdriver and flat. So that's nice. Ooh, cool. So this is my conclusion. You saw what this 2 amp hour battery pack did. So it performed very well. And these 2.6 I haven't tried because it will do even more. So if you ask me, this is a full review on batteries that came with this battery pack. They are all bad because they are only 0.5 amp hours. And now if you should buy, yeah, you should definitely buy, because the motor and the chain and the chain guide, these are the first. So in the pack you got 3 more chains, and you got another black chain guide. So definitely it is worth it. If you do the battery mode, you will get a very powerful and good battery chainsaw. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and don't forget to, I don't know, like buy me a beer. Thanks for watching. Zed, see dark out. Bye.